Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this yummy vegetable roll, and the ingredients I'm going to introduce it to you how to make this yummy healthy vegetable roll. Trust me, your kids, everyone in your home is going to like and enjoy this roll. It's so easy to make, so without wasting much of your time, let's go. Okay guys, to make the dough, what we need is wheat flour. The first one is wheat flour, and this is normal flour. You can use any one that is available, but I use both flours. And a cooking oil, vegetable oil, salt to taste, and a cup of water. You can use liquid milk. If you're having a liquid milk, you can add it to make the dough. So the first thing you do is add the vegetable oil, the cooking oil, 2 to 3 spoons. Add your salt and mix a little, just like a scrambled egg, scrambled bread. Mix it like I'm doing now. So I've added the vegetable oil. I just mix it a little bit with the flour, the salt, and everything will combine. Doing so will make your dough to be soft. Okay. So the next thing you do is to add your water. You can use milk, like I said. So I did this off camera because it's quite messy when I do it in the camera. So this is the dough. It should be soft, not so soft, not so hard, just like your hands are clean. So the next thing you do is to add a little vegetable oil, and add a little vegetable oil, spray it on the top of it, and make it a little smooth like I'm doing right here. And so after spraying the oil on top of the dough, so you set it aside for 3 to 4 minutes or up to 5 minutes, and keep it aside while we prepare the vegetables for the filling of the dough. Okay. So for the vegetable filling, I have my chopped tomatoes, chopped onion, grated carrots. I have my bell pepper, red and yellow and green, and the next thing I have my cabbage. For fill, you can use any vegetable of your choice. It depends on what you want. You can use any vegetable of your choice. So these are the vegetable I'm going to use for the filling. Okay. So in your pan, add your vegetable oil for frying. A little bit of the vegetable oil. Add your onion. Stir it to combine, and depending on how you stir fry your vegetables. So the second thing you do is to add your tomatoes and also stir fry it to combine together. And so guys, I go ahead and adding my seasoning cube. It's time for you to add any spice you want to use. I don't add much spices in my stir fried vegetables, so I add my chili powder or paprika, as you call it, anyone. I add the salt to taste and the rest of the vegetables, and I stir fry it together so that the ingredients and the spices can marry each other. Hope you get it. So it's time for you to fry them, stir fry them, combine, make sure everything is combined together. Okay, keep on watching guys. Hey guys, in case you're watching for the first time, my name is Linda Chinenye. So you're welcome to my channel. Do well to subscribe. Okay, like the video, turn on your post notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop a new video. Okay. So guys, now that the vegetable filling is ready, I go over to the dough, which I made early. Not so hard, not so soft. So roll into balls in a flat surface, sprinkle some flour so that it won't be so sticky, and roll into a circular way. Place in your pan. No vegetable oil is needed. So it is now ready, and it's time for you to fill in your vegetable. So for extra juiciness, you can add the tomato ketchup or mayonnaise, whichever way, but I prefer using ketchup, tomato sauce. Okay, so it's time for me to add my vegetables. It's time. If you're a non-veg, you can add egg, you can add your chicken, you can add your stir-fry beef, whatsoever you want to add. But this, I'm packaging it for my kids, and my kids school is not allowed to bring non-veg, so it's why I'm using only vegetables. So guys, can you see how it is? Extra crispy. Yeah, it's crispy when you eat it, and the inside, wow, mouth watering. You can call it whatsoever you want to call it. Isn't this recipe easy to make? You can put in your kids lunch box, you can eat as a breakfast, you can eat as a dinner. You can pair it with anything, with your tea, with your coffee, or your juice, or whatsoever you want to pair it with, and trust me, it will fill your stomach for the day. So tell me in the comment section if you are going to try out this recipe, because it's easy and healthy also. So for wrapping it, I putting it in your lunch box or going out with it, you can wrap with a foil, as I'm doing it here. Wrap it with a foil, so if your kids are eating it, it will be so easy for them to eat. So this is how I wrap it for them and put it in their lunch box. So if they want to open it, they can tear either one side and enjoy their meal or enjoy their food. Okay, so tell me in the comment section your thoughts about this recipe, and if you are going to try it. So tell me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, turn on your post notification bell so that I can be notified whenever we drop a new video. So I will see you in my next and upcoming video. Okay guys, so till then, enjoy your meal, enjoy your juicy vegetable roll. Okay, see you in our next and upcoming video. Bye.